So the power can be coupled by means of a coaxial line. So how to couple power from resonator to an application? That can be, you can use coaxial resonator or a coaxial cable or a coaxial resonator or a waveguide to couple the energy from the source to your load. So you can also have a small aperture or a probe or a loop to couple energy from the transmission line to the waveguide. So you can see here aperture is simply opening, and in a waveguide you can have in on both sides of cavity. If you make a small aperture and you can continue with the waveguide, so the energy will flow from the cavity towards the waveguide. This is possible. And if you make a small aperture at the bottom of the cavity, even this can send energy in both the directions. So cavity excitation and tuning. So a coaxial line, if you keep a probe parallel to E at the position of maximum field, you can couple the power. So see here, if you keep in horizontal position parallel to the electric field direction, you can couple power in this direction. And if you keep perpendicular to magnetic field, you can couple power in this direction. So depending on where you keep your probe, the corresponding direction, you get maximum power. So it should be along the perpendicular to H or along the direction of E. The microwave cavity resonators are used in lot of applications like transmission type cavities, reflection type cavities. In reflection type, the cavity is producing a maximum load impedance, while the transmission line is going to ensure maximum absorption of power. The number of waves you can use that, that's what I have shown here. Short circuit plunger shown in figure E. You can see here in figure E, you have a short circuit plunger. Plunger is a rotating rod which you will push it from the top into the cavity. So depending on the distance the plunger is going to move, the appropriate power will be coupled into the cavity. That is short circuit plunger. You can also have metallic screws. See here, I'm having metallic screws at the end of the cavity, so that from that you can take out the coupled power, or you can use a plate. A small plate can be used to vary the capacitance and thereby varying the frequency response of your cavity. So tuning means how to change the parameters of your microwave